well, I guess there's a premiere. Because, guys, I don't know if y'all know, but I fused Cuboteria, a Chicoteria, a Smurf cat, and a Meow just to get the new race car. It was a 62% chance. Oh, so someone in the chat said I'm not gonna get it? What's this in? Hello? Hello? I just realized. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm not gonna give up. Giving up is for losers. Giving up is for losers. Giving up is for losers, bro. Giving up is for freaking losers, bro. I'm doing this. I'm gonna take... Wait. I still have my Smurf cat. Wait. Did I have another Smurf cat? Since when did I have another Smurf cat, bro? Whoa, what? Wait, since when did I have another Smurf cat? Bro, since when did I have another Smurf cat? Bro, what? What? Wait, that means my Meow's not in either, right? Right? I lost my Meow. I lost my freaking Meow, bro. Bro. Holy frick, bro. Holy. I don't know what to do, bro. I'm in shock. I just lost the second rarest thing the whole game. I just lost an OG, bro. I can't believe it, bro. Oh my, totally break, bro. Holy frick, bro. What do I even put in? Like, what do I even put in, bro? Wait, it's a 14% chance. The Meow is a 32. Oh my god, bro. Are you serious? I actually risked everything just for that, bro. So what? This ain't doing great, bro. What do I do? I just lost my pet. Bro, I officially just lost my oh my god, bro. I just lost my best thing, bro. Like, actually, that, oh my god. I guess I'll fuse, bro. Wish me luck. Like, actually, wish me luck.